Morrisette Packaging was founded in 1962 by my grandfather, William Folks Morrisette. He grew up in Greensboro, Alabama, and he decided to move to Greensboro, North Carolina, where we stand today.
Morrisette started with selling brown paper lunch bags and toilet paper.
After 60+ years, we now are a full-service distributor, and we've stepped into vertical integration, which you see here behind me.
A couple of years ago, started to vertically integrate into foam manufacturing and now into a corrugated manufacturing center. And what gives Morrisette an advantage is we can take that solution for the customer and run it through our traditional supply chain as a distributor, or we can use our vertically integrated opportunities through foam or through our corrugated operation to provide a solution that really meets the customer's need rather than selling them something that we want to sell them.
The culture at Morrisette is something that I have never seen before.
And a slogan is adopted over those years called People Over Profit, to empower people to achieve their highest level of success. That is our purpose.
They don't just say that, they back it up with their actions.
All your opinions and voice can be heard. You can go right to the owner and talk to him. He knows you. So it means that the world pretty much.
2 years ago, we explored what could corrugated manufacturing look like to Morrisette. And through that, we've invested in the Elitron, a flexographic press, a digital press, a flatbed die cutter, and a folder gluer.
Currently we have the Elitron Kombo TAV.
Before the Elitron, really we were dependent on all of our suppliers at that standpoint. So you're only as flexible as your suppliers are.
What originally attracted Morrisette to the Elitron platform is the opportunity to take a small run and efficiently get it through our plant without having to have the customer invest in tooling.
It gives someone that flexibility to not make that capital investment of thousands of dollars.
In our relatively short experience with the Elitron, we have already been able to produce multiple jobs that have allowed us to meet a customer's delivery demand, which we may not have otherwise been able to do through traditional die cutting methods.
The Kombo TAV from Elitron has been the easiest machine to use. You pretty much load up the pallet, it'll bring it in automatically. By far has the strongest vacuum of any CAD table that I've ever used. Load the file in, hit start, it'll pick up the sheets, read the dots, bring it onto the table, cut, take it to the unloader. It'll just keep on rolling, pretty much unsupervised. You know, it'll go and check the blades, make sure that they're still intact and not broken. And
the Elitron has given us a lot more flexibility. So we have the ability to quote business that's more small volume that we wouldn't typically quote.
So it's come through in a clutch spot for us a few times in helping out other machines we have.
It's been incredibly efficient for us. It operates like what we call lights out, cuts overnight, strip the parts, deliver to them in a day. And that wins you a lot of brownie points with the customer.
The customer service response has been excellent, whether we need someone on site or it's a problem we can solve over the phone. The efficiency provided by the Elitron allows us to be more efficient, so our customers can be more efficient, and then everyone's happy.
We're material neutral, we remain that way, and the Elitron is helping us achieve that philosophy.
Here at Morrisette, we have the best people, and we're providing them the best equipment so they can fully unlock their potential.
And we believe that we have the most sophisticated plant in North America with the technology we've invested, and the Elitron is a great example of that.